Wilderness Films India is a 33-year-old public limited media company with 100 freelance and full-time crew and team members, hundreds of broadcast cameras, lenses, and over 150,000 hours of content. WildFilms India is now looking to create South Asia's first indigenous OTT platform with ancillary retail and travel offerings based on the feedback of our viewers wanting to purchase unique products and make travel plans based on what they see in our 100,000 videos. WildFilms India now plans a robust global video product that shows the best of India in terms of culture, travel, people, nature, and more. A veritable visual wiki and a platform on India's national pride. We're constantly on the go when heading to the field, and one doesn't have the luxury of time to search for last-minute supplies and products. So a vertically integrated platform that does the sourcing and quality control checks for us was in order. Our needs were diverse, ranging from tea, sugar and Maggi noodles for our crew and porters on Himalayan expeditions, right up to more complex equipment requirements such as 360 cameras. We often need quick deliveries in remote locations across the country. So we were in need of a sourcing platform equipped to handle our diverse and sometimes very ad hoc needs with the required quality control checks and reach across the country down to the most remote locations. Our search for such a platform ended when we found Amazon Business. Our team now requisitions purchases after checking equipment and accessories online. We have daily deliveries from Amazon at various locations. On one occasion, we had over 40 deliveries in a single week. Our guard was going crazy, taking all the packages in and coordinating a return or two as well. If a product is deficient in some way or not sold as represented, we know Amazon Business has us covered. The easy returns, location pickups, ready refunds or replacements, and more make us feel totally reassured that we're not going to be let down or end up wasting our time in chasing up multiple entities. Amazon Business is our one-stop shop for not just products, but it gives us the safety and security of buying from a known entity. Sourcing from multiple vendors is a huge challenge, especially when they are spread across cities. Amazon Business brings everything onto one GST compliant platform where there is answerability and reliability in equal measure, in addition to ready availability of a range of diverse products, especially office supplies, an easy return facility, festive sale offerings, bulk buying, discounts and incentives. They all add up. This takes the risk out of buying for the buyer and makes the whole purchasing process not just risk-free, but even a pleasure. Amazon Business has been a great experience for Wilderness Films India. We have virtually no complaints and are completely in favor of international online retail in India. Amazon is solving problems for Indian businesses, providing opportunities for small and large Indian retail establishments, as well as small businesses and home-based entrepreneurships. We are now here for good with Amazon Business. And we even see Amazon as a happily unavoidable and indelible intrinsic part of India's cultural landscape.